Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Figma link. First, open your Figma file and locate the Share button in the top right corner. Clicking this button reveals sharing options. You can then easily copy the link to your clipboard. Remember to set the appropriate permissions, such as can view or can edit, to control who can access your design. This ensures your work is shared securely and effectively with your collaborators. Beyond basic link sharing, Figma offers advanced controls. You can invite specific people by typing their email addresses into the share dialog. For each person, you can assign different permissions, like can view or can edit. For an extra layer of security, consider adding a password to your shared link. This ensures only those with the password can access your design, providing robust protection for sensitive projects. Did you know you can embed your Figma designs directly into websites or presentations? From the Share menu, select the Get Embed Code option. Here, you can customize the size and other display parameters of your embedded design. Once configured, simply copy the generated HTML code. Then, paste this code into your desired platform, allowing your interactive Figma file to be viewed seamlessly within another application. Figma also allows you to share links to specific versions or comments. To share a particular version, access the version history panel and copy the link for that state. For comments, right-click on any comment and select Copy Link to Comment. These precise links are incredibly useful for directing collaborators to exact points in your design or to specific feedback, streamlining communication and ensuring everyone is on the same page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.